Okay, Kishore. Fine, Kishore.
Sir,
Congratulations for getting 62 rank, Kishore. Where are you from, Kishore?
thank you. Sir, I'm from Chittoor, sir, Chittoor, near Velur border.
Oh, okay. So you know Tamil also.
Yeah, sir, I know Tamil, sir.
Okay, let it be an open one so that everyone can listen to this rather than only being a regional language. Okay,
Yes.
wonderful achievement, Kishore. How do you feel, Kishore? I think the urology is most demanded by all super specialty aspirants. Top 100 in urology is the greatest blessing. How do you feel,
Thank you,
Kishore?
sir. Sir, I feel blessed, sir, but the main thing what was your notes and your material has helped me a lot, sir. I revised only one time the urology Campbell whole textbook, sir. But I keep on revising the notes only, sir. And the questions which I get in app, via concept app, that helped me a lot, sir.
So that is actually my dream. The content of concept notes and the concept Q bank, that should be a gold standard. Even one person gave the feedback. The one of the top 50 rankers who gave the feedback. Concept Q
Sir.
bank and the concept material was a gold standard, sir. And there are many students who are asking now, how as a super specialty aspirant, how you prepared, how long you have prepared, what made you to differ from more than 200 rankers to less than 200 ranker?
Sir, actually, for the last time I got 300 ranks, sir. But I didn't lose my hope, sir. I joined
Oh,
a
last year,
senior.
last
Hello.
Please proceed, Kishore.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want your face to be prominent. That's why I'm removing my.
Yes, okay, sir.
Yeah, please proceed.
Sir, actually, I got last time 300 change, sir. But I didn't lose my hope. And I joined as a senior residency, but last 1.5 month only I took leave from the senior residency. I have prepared, sir. I was doing only the bits and some important topics I have revised, and I have done many bits, sir. That gave me an extra edge, sir. Rather than preparing the whole Campbell again.
Yeah, what does the
Uh,
bit you? What does it mean? The bit you have read.
with concept question banks, the Q bank. Even though
Okay,
I didn't complete it fully,
okay,
to my level extent, I have completed, and
okay,
also Parag Gupta has given me an extra edge, sir. Both the question banks.
okay. Super. Like the how long you have prepared? Last year you have secured 300 rank. That itself is a good one. It is not a smaller rank. You have got a very good rank at even the last year. How you strategize? You have prepared you strategize your preparation in this 2020.
Yes, sir. I have prepared like for first 17 chapters in one day. Likewise, I have made my notes, sir. When to complete, when to revise all these topics. Only the concept notes, and then I have written some tests also, and then I have been doing only the bits only, sir. Till the exam, I have been doing only the bits.
Yeah, you mean the concept notes division. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. How many questions you have attended, my dear? Because many now you can see in the group urologist Delhi concept group, you can see a lot of students are asking how you made part, like how you achieved the 200 less than 200 rank, was many
I
people
have
ask
attempted
question.
almost all the every question, sir. Only I didn't. I'll only two questions that were unattempted in urology department, and in general surgery also only two questions that were left.
Okay, you
So
have
I
attended
didn't
the
attempt
maximum
more
questions.
questions, sir. Remaining all I have attempted, sir.
Nice. So you have attended the maximum questions. That's good. That I will. Whoever watches this, let it be the idea for them, because many used to ask how many questions to attend. Even Himanshu said he attended. He is a second rank holder. He said like he attended some 91 out of 100 questions. 91 questions he attended, I think. It's a good blessing to hear who are the super specialty urology aspirants to hear words from you, so that this will be posted in the YouTube. Whoever wants to future super specialty aspirant, it will be very useful. Anything else you want to?
Hard work never fails. That was my strong motto, sir. Those who secured now some around 300 ranks, please don't lose your hope. Keep on trying, sir. That's what my motto was, sir. So I didn't lose my hope, sir. After I getting 300, I didn't lose my hope. I joined as a senior residency time being, and I know what I can do. So it did, sir. That's it.
Exactly, Kishore. It's a golden words, I can say, because we are already a consultants and surgeons. We are well settled in family and as a professional as well as family, in a family also. This super specialty exam is an extra edge only for our profession. And
Yes,
it is not to lose hope, or neither anyone, a super specialty aspirant, should feel like whether I will get it or not. Whether
yes,
a person get it or not is immaterial. Give a sincere attempt, as your words were golden words, like give a sincere attempt, or hard work never fails. That is true.
yes, sir.
I add a
Yes,
point with that. Hard work never fails. No one need to worry whether during the preparation whether I will get a rank this year or not. So
yes,
balance
sir.
your family, balance your profession, balance your economical status, because we are not 10th standard kids. Mother will come and give a cup of coffee. Definitely
Yes,
we are married with the kid. Either a spouse or a kid will fight with us for while preparing for the super specialty. Okay.
sir.
So in other way around, we should put a cup of coffee for our spouse and we should start preparing rather
Yes,
than
sir.
expecting mother to be there with during the preparation late night and give a cup of coffee, or putting a coffee in what to say, give a hot coffee during the preparation. So we all, whoever sees this video, I love you all people, because no one should feel stressed, because life is more important than
Yes, sir.
PG or super specialty. Golden words,
Yes,
Kishore.
sir.
Anything else you want to share?
Nothing, sir. That's it, sir.
Super. All the best, Kishore. Beyond this, the first 6 months or 1 year is going to be a important period where you have a new place where you are going to learn urology. Be calm for 6 months and 1 year as a first year resident. You will learn a lot of things. Put your hard work there. Learn a lot of what to say, videos. See a lot of videos. See a lot of different surgeons, professors, surgical skills. And wherever you join the place, even outside also, when a surgeon calls for help, go. Don't ever expect money. Go and give a hand. You will be learning tens and tens of skills. That's how I was groomed up in general surgeon, or a laparoscopic donor transplant surgeon. Because don't expect a money when you are a resident. When you go outside and work, tell your professors, sir, I want to learn from you, sir. I want to work with you, sir. I will be there for you. This words should be told, not once immediately joining the profession. After 6 months or 1 year, where definitely your senior professors or senior assistant professors will need an extra hand, so that they want a hand for a follow up of the patient, or during the surgery, someone to assist them. Find out such kind of who is good in that, who is having a good skills, that we can assess nicely, and talk them individually, so that you can learn a lot. There is no limit for learning. Manage the family, manage the profession, and earn money happily, and live. More than earning, I can say live the life peacefully. All the best, Kishore. And thanks for your interest
Thank you.
in sir. When I want to give the live interview, sir, please, when that was the happiness, because you want to give a talk with me. And I actually, whenever I give a talk with the people, I want to add some more of my experience. So let it be your learning things, and you will live a happy life.
Thank you, sir.
Ultimately, the life is to be lived. Life is not money or a profession. Life is to be lived. And I can say the Kishore is the master for your life. No one should master your life. All the best, Kishore. Nice
Thank
talking
you,
to
sir.
you.
Thank
Jai
you, sir.
Hind.
Jai Hind,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.